Next is rhombus. Rhombus is said to be a four-sided plane shape with all four sides equal. Now, what are the features or properties of a rhombus? One, that all sides are equal, so you may equally see it like this. And the opposite angles are equal. That is to say, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Now, note, unlike that of a square, where all angles are equal and are said to be 90 degrees, but in a rhombus, it is the opposite angles that are said to be equal. So, this angle is said to be equal to angle A, and angle C is equal to angle D, but angle A is not equal to angle C. 3, the diagonals are lines of symmetry. Also, if you look at the diagonals, they are said to be lines of symmetry because they divide that shape into two equal parts. The diagonals bisect each other at right angle. You can see that. So these are 90 degrees. And that is that on the property of a rhombus. So when you see a rhombus, you should be able to identify them. One of the similarities between a rhombus and a square is that all sides are equal, but not all angles are said to be equal. So that differentiates a rhombus from a square. So what differentiates a rhombus from a square is that in a square, all angles are said to be equal and are 90 degrees. But in a rhombus, opposite angles are said to be equal and not all angles are equal. So get that.